Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guide. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of January 2024 for all the Libra Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of January for all the Libra Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Libra Ascendant people, Sun controls your 11th house, and right now, Sun is moving in your third house in the sign of Sagittarius. Sun will stay in your third house till 15th of January. After 15th of January, Sun will move to your fourth house in the sign of Capricorn. 11th house will be your elder siblings, your gains in life, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes seen from 11th house, your network circle, your profession network circle is seen from 11th house, your relationship with your superior, your relationship with higher people, your superior, your PR is also seen from 11th house. Gains of money in the form of bulk is also seen from 11th house. Third house deal with your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, your communication ability is seen from third house. Your effort, how much effort you can put in anything is seen from third house. Your hands, your handwriting, all the skills you have related to your hand is also seen from third house. So Sun in the month of January, your 11th house Lord will be moving in your third house till 15th of January. So we can expect great result regarding your younger brothers and sisters related matter, regarding your efforts related matter. You will put a lot of effort in your work and you will also get the revenue of that effort in the month of January, because your 11th house Lord, house of gains Lord, moving in the house of effort. From third house, Sun is also expecting your ninth house of gains, house of fortune. That's why we can expect great result for your third house related matter and your gains related matter in the month of January till 15th of January. After 15th of January, Sun will move to your fourth house. Then after 15th of January, your 11th house Lord will be moving in your fourth house. In fourth house deal with your mother, your mother's health, your relationship with your mother is in fourth house, your property matters, your vehicles matter, how much peace do you have in your life, how much comfort do you have in your life, how much conveniences do you have in your life. So when your 11th house Lord will be moving in your fourth house, then we can expect gains related to property, vehicles, or your relationship with your mother. Your relationship and your mother's health will be very good in the month of January, because your 11th house Lord, house of gains Lord, house of fulfillment of wishes Lord is also moving in the house of property, in the house of vehicle, in the house of mother and mother's relationship. So you can expect great result for your comfort related matter, for your conveniences related matter. If you want to buy some property or vehicle or some conveniences related matter to your home, then you will definitely get a chance and you will purchase that thing in the month of January, especially after 15th of January, when Sun will move to your fourth house, being your 11th house Lord. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Libra Ascendant people in the month of January. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Libra Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 12th house and your 9th house. And right now, Mercury is moving in your third house in the sign of Sagittarius. Ninth house deal with your travel related matter is seen from ninth house, your religious knowledge, your religious inclination, your higher education is seen from ninth house, means your postgraduate education is seen from ninth house, your teachers, your mentors, your second marriage is also seen from ninth house. Long distance travel and your pilgrimage related matter is also seen from ninth house. 12th house deal with your expenses, your losses, your isolation, foreign settlement related matter is seen from 12th house. Your sleep pattern is also seen from 12th house. Your privacy somehow is also seen from 12th house, along with 8th house and 4th house. So right now in the month of January, your 9th house and 12th house Lord is moving in the third house, and Mercury just moved from your second house to your third house after 6th January 2024 in the sign of Sagittarius. So we can expect great result for your travel related matter if you want to travel somewhere, because from third house Mercury is also expecting you its own house, your ninth house. Ninth house also deal with your luck related matter. So luck will favor you in the month of January. Luck will be in your favor because your ninth house Lord is expecting your ninth house in the month of January. Also, we can expect great result regarding your education related matter. If you are doing some postgraduate education, your teachers, your superiors will support you in the month of January. 12th house deal with your foreign settlement, your expenses, your losses, your spirituality, your donations is also seen from 12th house. So Mercury is taking Ketu's energy in your third house, because Ketu is moving in your 12th house after 30th October 2023, as we discussed previously in Rahu Ketu transit video. So Mercury in the month of January taking Ketu's energy in your third house. That's why You may have to face some difficulty during travel in the month of January, but you will definitely get a chance to travel somewhere in the month of January. Also, you need to guide your younger brother and sisters because Ketu is moving in your 12th house and Mercury is taking Ketu's energy in your third house. They may face some difficulties, some hurdles in their life in the month of January. So we can expect these results from Mercury in the month of January for all the Libra ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Libra ascendant people, Venus controls your 8th house and your first house. Means Venus is your ascendant lord. Venus is very important planet for you people, and right now Venus is moving in your second house in the sign of Scorpio. Venus will stay in your second house till 19th of January. After 19th of January, Venus will move from your second house to third house in the sign of Sagittarius. Eighth house will be your sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs. And life is seen from eighth house in loss related matter, your joint account with your spouse is also seen from eighth house, your secret activity, secret research, your unexpected gains, unexpected loss is also seen from eighth house. First house will be you, your personality, your overall aspects of life is seen from first house, your general health, your general perception, your fundamental nature is seen from first house, and your general health is also seen from first house. So in the month of January till 19th of January, your eighth house and your first house lord will be moving in your second house. Means Venus is right now moving in a strong position. Your first house lord is moving second place is away from itself, and second house considered as gain of every house. And also Venus from your second house expecting your eighth house, its own house. That's why we can expect great result regarding your money related matter, regarding your health related matter. Also, you will get good result regarding your joint account with your spouse if you have any joint account with your spouse, especially till 19th of January, till Venus is moving in your second house. Also, we can expect great result regarding your general health related matter and your family related matter because your ascendant lord is moving in your second house, in the house of fame, in the house of family, in the house of saving, in the house of speech. You will speak very politely in the month of January because of Venus, because of presence of Venus in your second house in the month of January till 19th of January. After 19th of January, when Venus, your ascendant lord, will be moving in your third house, then you have to put a lot of effort in your work because third house will be your efforts, and your first house means you will be, and first house which represent you will be moving in your third house. So you may have to put a lot of effort in your work, and you may have to do a lot of short distance in the month of January, especially after 19th of January. And suddenly, because Venus is also control your sudden events, so suddenly you will get a chance to travel somewhere in the month of January, as we discussed previously in Mercury section, because ninth house Lord is also moving in your short distance travel house. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Libra ascendant people in the month of January. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Libra ascendant people, Moon controls your 10th house, and right now Moon is moving in your first house in the sign of Libra, means Moon is moving in your ascendant. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th of January, and on the basis of 6th January we are predicting for whole month. Because Moon is a very fast moving planet, Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. Because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties will always associate with these house. And Moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit, and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars. So in transit, whenever Moon is moving near any of these planets from any house during these days, we can also expect we may have some issues, problem, and difficulties in our life. Especially issues, problem, and difficulties will come from the house significance through which Moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Libra ascendant people, Mars controls your 7th house and your second house. And right now, Mars is moving in your third house in the sign of Sagittarius. Seventh house will be your relationships, your marriage, your spouse is seen from seventh house, your business partnership is seen from seventh house, how you will meet others and how others perceive you when you will meet others is seen from 7th house. Your fame along with 10th house is also seen from 7th house. Your commitments, your legal bindings, your agreements is also seen from 7th house. Third house. Second house, as we discussed previously in Venus section, second house deal with your family history, your family lineage, your speech, your bank account, your savings, is also seen from second house. So in the month of January, your second house and your seventh house Lord is moving in your third house, in the sign of cousins, in the sign of neighbors, in the sign of get together. So we can expect you will arrange a lot of get together in the month of January with your cousins, neighbors, and childhood friend. Also, if you are single right now, you will get a good proposal in the month of January from your cousins, neighbors, and childhood friends, someone you know before, because Jupiter is also moving in your seventh house, in the house of marriage, in the house of relationship, and from seventh house, Jupiter is also aspecting your third house and seventh house Lord from its ninth aspect. That's why we can expect you will get good proposal in the month of January if you are single right now. If you are married right now, then we can expect good result regarding your marriage related matter, regarding your spouse related matter, and your business partnership related matter, because Jupiter is moving in your seventh house, and from seventh house Jupiter is also aspecting your third house and seventh house Lord. Mars also controls your second house, and second house Lord is moving second places away from itself. And Venus, your eighth house Lord, and your first house Lord is moving in your second house. That's why we can expect you will get a lot of gains and you will save a lot of money in the month of January regarding your money related matter, because 11th house of gains Lord is also moving along the second house in your third house. So we can expect good result regarding your gains related matter, regarding your savings related matter, and your money related matter in the month of January. Also, as we discussed previously, we can expect good result regarding your marriage related matter. If you are single right now, then we can expect you will get good proposals in the month of January from someone you know before. So we can expect these results from all the plans for all the Libra Ascendant people in the month of January. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of January 2024 for all the Libra Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove very helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.